You bet not.
I don't know this.
Good morning, guys. It is Vlogmas day 4, and it is Saturday. And we are up. I told y'all that I had already told my uncle that we could go to the Canada Day sale. It is now 11 o'clock, so we are super late. So I just know it's about to be a good wait. I'm hoping it's not, but I mean, it's the Canada Day sale, and it sold out online yesterday, so of course there's gonna be a line today. So we got up, we got ourselves together, and I'm about to go pick him up. I bought this stand for the car, but it won't stick, and it doesn't, I don't know, it's weird, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. But yeah, guys, I am going to see you guys when I pick my uncle up. Now let me just tell you a disclaimer: my uncle crazy. He is crazy. I don't know what's gonna come out of his mouth. I do not know. He's a good time. My Instagram family knows him, but he's gonna be introduced to YouTube for the first time, I think. Maybe, possibly, if not, I think he may have been on last year's Vlogmas, but I'm not sure. But again, I apologize for anything that comes out of that young man's mouth, because yeah. Yeah, he waiting. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. You want to say hi to the vlog?
How we doing? What?
We vlogging for Christmas. For
This ain't
YouTube.
Christmas. I ain't got no business blogging. Got the camera in my face.
So you're not gonna act right today?
What you want me to do? I'm going to get a candle.
He going to get a candle. Y'all had to make me some tea.
Oh,
I got my tea.
You know what? She's sick, y'all. Gotta put on my man. Oh Lord, all right. What you say? All right.
You
Let's
ready?
roll. Let's roll. I'm vlogging.
We'll see y'all when we get to the mall. All right, guys, he's got us going to this, I don't know, spiritual place before we go to the mall. So I told him we'll vlog it just to see. So let's see. So it's like meditation, he said. They're like the different meditation rocks and the meditation books and whatnot. And the different, oh, that's pretty. Hi, good morning. Hello. Oh, there's a lot going on in here. Oh, that's cute. I like this. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. So he got these. What are these, Uncle Lucky? You don't know? Yes, you do. He don't want to act right. He got this little bowl thingy that he be out there. You go around and it makes a noise, and it's supposed to be meditation. Talking about he don't know. Yes, you do. Huh?
They have different uses. They came in here the other day. She said that she kept. Come up here, please. But yeah, she said that she kept like getting like strep throat, and she was looking for holistic practices for her strep throat. And the oils came up definitely as one of the ways she can use it. They had
Let me step by you, Uncle
like
Lucky.
lemon oil, the eucalyptus, the peppermint, one more thyme oil. Those three were the ones that she could put in her tea.
What is this?
Those are Japanese incense.
I'm going home today and wrap my rock in a towel and break it and see what I get.
Oh.
I've held on to it for years.
Uh-oh. I want to know what you get out of it.
Oh, those are the sage thingies. Burn the sage. Burn the sage. All right, we've made it to the mall, and this is the line. So there is really no line, so that's good. So we can get in and out. There's no real line. So that is perfect. Perfect and more perfect. They got it very organized.
Y'all better get to it.
The lady, she's putting it in the bag for you. So.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to make a line right here, and she can get the bags for you together, and we're going to give you the bags before y'all stand with the
I'm gonna need another one too, ma'am.
Thank you.
So we want to get the lines down, so everybody can be comfortable inside.
You looking for your Look, Uncle Lucky. There go your candles.
Well,
Over there, I think.
no, that smells like medicine.
Over there on that back wall, I think. That's why I say I think. I don't know. So we went to 2 Bath and Body Works, and we did pretty good. It was in and out, both of them.
And you got to exercise.
We didn't get what we. Well, he didn't get his. Well, we both didn't get our the ones we were looking for. The champagne. Wait, what is it, Uncle Lucky?
Strawberry.
Oh, strawberry pound cake. But the rest of them we got. So we did pretty good. Now we're going home. Because I need to go lay down. I have to find me something to eat. Oh, that line ain't got long now, Uncle Lucky.
Yeah.
Oh, better way. Y'all messing up all the good ones. That's the whole song. You bet not. What the hell? Wow. Y'all, the song is weak. She didn't know the song, so we had to sing all over.
Give you everything you want and need. Love and perfection.
Hi vlog, good morning.
We say good morning. It's day 4, well 5 is Vlogmas. And we're today's day 5. And
Morning guys. Today is day 4 of Vlogmas.
Day 5 is.
I mean day 5 of Vlogmas, and Mommy just came back from the store. So now we're taking the groceries and stuff out the bag, and better hurry up and get out the kitchen so she can do what she needs to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and comment your daily shenanigans.